Good morning, students. Welcome to the first session. So I am Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss that indefinite integration problems, some standard substitution methods, how to identify that which value we can take x. See here. So the function is in the form of under root a square minus x square 1 by under root a square minus x square. In this case, we can substitute that x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. We know that trigonometric identities. First identity, what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta means what we get? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So by using first identity, we are decided here in place of x, we can substitute either sin or cos. What is second identity? This is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. What is secant square theta here? Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equal to what? Secant square theta minus 1. Here 1 plus x square or x square minus 1, these are the difference observed. Here 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. It is there minus x term is in x is in place of second place is there, means we will take either sin or cos. If it is there plus, we can take x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta, because third identity also is there. What is that? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And here hyperbolic function also given. In hyperbolic function, what is the formula? Cos h square theta minus sin h square theta, that is equal to 1. One of the terms, sin h square theta is in right hand side, we get positive. Okay, are you understand now? Under root a square plus x square 1 by under root a square plus x square means x is equal to a tan theta, x is equal to a cot theta, or x is equal to a sin h theta. Now third formula, 1 by under root x square minus a square or root x square minus a square. Already I discussed that. We know that formula secant square theta minus 1 or cosecant square theta minus 1 or cos h square theta minus 1. These formulas are there. Secant square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. Cos h square theta minus 1 is equal to sin h square theta, like that. So in place of x, we can take a secant theta, a cosecant theta, or a cos h theta. Students, are you understood? Now another one, under root a minus x divided by a plus x, under root a plus x by a minus x related. We know that formulas 1 minus cos theta or 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. These formulas already we know that. 1 minus cos 2 theta means what is the formula? 2 sin square theta. If it is there plus, we get cos. 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta. So 1 minus x, 1 plus x, whatever is there, in place of x, take that a cos 2 theta or a cos theta. Okay. Now, another function, see this. Under root x by a minus x, under root a minus x by x. A minus is the two second function. So what we have to take? Either sine squared theta or cos squared theta. If it is there plus, we can take that a tan squared theta, a cot squared theta. Okay. Now, under root x minus a divided by b minus x, under root x minus a into b minus x, 1 by under root x minus a into b minus x. This relation is there means we have to take x is equal to a cos squared theta plus b sin squared theta. Okay. How to take the a, b values means by observing the question. Okay. Now, one more function, under root x minus a divided by x minus b, under root x minus a into x minus b. X is the first function and here minus is there. So here we can take a secant squared theta minus b tan squared theta. Okay. Now 1 by under root x minus a into x minus b. This is and this is. See difference. Here root in the numerator. Here root in the denominator. At that time, what they are taken? X minus a is equal to t square or x minus b is equal to t square. Any one of the value we can take and substitute, differentiate, simplify, calculate. So many calculations are there, we know very well. So we can solve the problem easily. Okay, students? If you are not copied, see the material. All formulas is there. And write once, read once. Okay, now I am going to start. We can discuss some problems. These are level 2 related problems. Level 2 related problems. Already 12 problems completed. Now this is 13th problem. Now see that the question is integration dx divided by 1 plus root x into under root x minus x square. Here take x common and overall root x will come outside. Remaining is root 1 minus x. 1 minus x. So in this case, what we have to take x? X is equal to sine square theta. Let x is equal to sine square theta because 1 minus sine square theta, cos square theta formula is there now. Or you can take cos square theta also, no problem. Apply the differentiation dx. Here, derivative of sine square theta 2 sine theta cos theta. Now those values substitute here. Dx means 2 sine theta cos theta divided by, here will come d theta, sorry. Now in place of x substitute sine square theta, 1 plus root sine square theta, square root is going to cancel. Here root x, root sine square theta, sine theta. Under root 1 minus sine square theta. What is 1 minus sine square theta formula? Cos square theta. Root cos square theta, square root cancel. It will come only cos theta. So sine theta is going to cancel. And cos theta under root 1 minus cos square theta is going to cancel. Now remaining terms we can write. That is equal to 2 into integration 1 by 1 plus sine theta d theta. 1 by 1 plus sine theta d theta. So here how to do the integration? Already we know that numerator and denominator multiply with 1 minus sine theta. Then calculate, we get easily into d theta. Denominator, what will come? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That means we get in denominator 1 minus sine squared theta. 1 minus sine squared theta, we can write cos squared theta or not. Now split this. What happened? 1 by cos squared theta means 1 by cos squared theta means what? Secant square theta. Secant square theta minus sine theta divided by cos squared theta, that is secant theta tan theta into d theta. Next, apply the integration. What is integration secant square theta? Tan theta minus what is integration secant theta tan theta? Secant theta. So up to here we got the answer. Then see the options in terms of x is there. Here x is equal to, I am taken sine square theta. Then what is sine theta? Tell me. Sine theta is equal to root x. Root x means we can write root x by 1. Now take the right angle triangle. Sine theta means opposite side, hypotenuse. Next, this is under root 1 minus x. Now substitute the values, we get the answer. That is 2 into, what is tan theta? Root x divided by root 1 minus x minus, what is secant theta? 1 by root 1 minus x plus c. Now final answer, see that 2 into, take the LCM, numerator will come root x minus 1 divided by, denominator will come under root 1 minus x plus c. Students, which option is correct? Tell me. First option is correct. See this 14th question. 14th question. So integration dx divided by x square into under root x square plus a square. X square plus a square is there. So in place of x, what we can take? By observing the trigonometric identity. Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. Secant squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta. So I am decided that let in place of x, we can take a tan theta. A tan theta. Why I am taken a? Already a term is there inside the root. Now here, what is tan theta here? Tan theta is equal to x divided by a. Now differentiate this, dx is equal to a into derivative of tan theta, that is secant squared theta. Okay. Now these values substitute in the question. Dx means a secant square theta, and denominator in place of x substitute a tan theta. Here will come a square tan square theta into under root a square tan square theta plus a square plus a square. Inside the root, take a square common and send to outside. Remaining part is what? This is a secant square theta divided by a square tan square theta into denominator a into, if a square you are taken common, you will get 1 plus tan square theta plus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. Square root cancel, you will get secant theta. d theta. Now observe the calculation. A is cancelled. One of the secant theta term is going to cancel. Remaining is secant theta divided by tan squared. That is convert into sine and cos terms. Now see what happened. 1 by a square into secant theta means 1 by cos theta. Tan squared theta means sine square theta divided by cos square theta d theta. Here one of the cos is going to cancel. Remaining one more cos is there. It is going to numerator. So 1 by a square into cos theta divided by sine square theta d theta. Here observe that 1 by a square, cos by sine, cot. One more sine is there. 1 by sine means we get cosecant theta into cot theta into d theta. Integration cosecant theta cot theta. What is the formula? Minus cosecant theta. So we get 1 by a square into minus cosecant theta plus c. Here already we know that tan theta value. Take right angle triangle. This is theta. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Now this is will come under root x square plus a square. Now tell me what is cosecant theta value? Cosecant means hypotenuse divided by opposite. That is under root x square plus a square divided by x plus c. I think this is the final answer. See the options. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Students, now I am going to 15th problem. See the question. How to do this? Let f of x is equal to integration x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus under root 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus under root 1 plus x square dx. Those terms we can do rationalize. Then what happens? See, only one chance we have now. F of x is equal to integration x square. I am going to do the rationalizing denominator term, that is 1 plus under root 1 plus x square. So 1 minus under root 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square into 1 plus root 1 plus x square into 1 minus root 1 plus x square dx. Now observe this denominator part. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then what will come, tell me? X square into 1 minus under root 1 plus x square. This is the numerator part. Denominator part 1 plus x square into a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. There will come 1 minus 1 minus x square. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel and remaining is minus x square. X square also cancel. Remaining is only negative term. Now negative term take outside. Here split this 1 by 1 plus x square minus root 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x. That means root a divided by a. Root a divided by a means we can write root a into root a. Root a cancel. We get 1 by root a. That means 1 by under root 1 plus x square dx. Now what is integration 1 by 1 plus x square? That is tan inverse x minus, what is integration 1 by under root 1 plus x square? How to do that? Any formula is there directly? Any formula is there? Secant inverse? Secant inverse? X is equal to tan theta. Then dx is equal to, what will come? Secant square theta d theta. That means here, integration 1 by under root 1 plus x square means secant inverse x. Secant, no, it is not secant inverse. So we'll go alternative method. Here onwards I am writing. First one is okay. Now, here dx means derivative of tan theta, secant square theta d theta. Okay, those values substitute in the question. Then what happens? See, one second.